beautiful crochet pattern and crochet watermelon baby frog style ideas and creative beautiful style ideas. Creating a watermelon tempt a baby dress sound absolutely adorable. To make one, you will need a crochet that specially uh, uh, feathers, watermelon design. Here are general outline of how you need to go about it, and look for a crochet pattern for a baby dress and beautiful watermelon motif. You can search online on platform like DC and Gravely on or different styles and different ideas. So make sure the pattern includes instruction for the watermelon design and